Welcome to Bad Wrench Automotive. Okay, so when you're doing your underhood inspections with your oil changes, it's important to notice certain things that will affect not only fuel mileage but performance of the vehicle. And those are vacuum leaks. Yes, even modern vehicles nowadays still use rubber hoses and plastic hoses to seal up vacuum that is used for other components within the engine. You'll notice high idles. You'll also notice poor fuel mileage if you have a vacuum leak. Some of the things to look out for is cracked hoses or hoses that are split like this. Pay attention to these hoses. They can make a big difference on how your car runs, how much fuel it consumes, and how well it stays running. I'd like to say thank you guys for all the support. Please continue hitting the like, follow, and subscribe buttons. I'll see you guys on the next one.